All right, so today I'm going to teach you how to put on a tempered glass screen guard on an iPhone. So it goes on a lot easier if you do it right as you open the phone. You definitely want the phone on while you do it. So about 80% of the time of putting this on is going to be cleaning the phone, getting any dust or imperfections off. So they give you these little stickers in the pack. So what you're going to do is get all the dust off the screen. Take your time, because taking your time before will make it a lot easier putting it on. So once your screen is nice and clean and no dust, grab the glass and pull the plastic off and be ready to apply it right as you do it. Keep the sticky side down. And I always start by putting this end around the fingerprint scanner first. Makes it easier to line up. Having the phone on is easy. So once it's even around that, then you hold it right here and make sure that it's lined up around the lines around the side. Just kind of pull your fingers there and get it to stick down here at the end, and then drop it, turn the screen off, and let the screen stick itself onto the phone. Just kind of work the air bubbles out here. If you need to, you can always lift the edge up a little bit to work an air bubble out. Yeah, just spend the next couple minutes just peeling that, or getting the air bubbles out, working them out. If there's a little hair or something, you can just lift the edge of the screen up and use one of these stickers to get it out. But it looks like that one's actually okay. There you go, and that's how you put a tempered glass screen guard on.